guys, check this out. We got a new one for you. This is the euro versus the pound. I mean, it's not really new. We are following up with the euro pound for a long time now. But we actually were on the sideline for quite some time. So right now we are re-engaging with the bullish position. You know, you can see right across all of my daily chart here, there's a very nice sideways movement that you can track back all the way to September 2017. Ever since then, price is trading sideways in a nice wide trading range. And but you know what? The second part of this sideways movement was very, very tricky and complicated. Instead of you know, actually was here on the upside, was eventually stopped out with, I think it was on the break-even point. But, you know, at the end of the day, we were aiming at the higher part of the setup. As price was making its way towards the upper part of the setup, it suddenly dropped in a strong move. But as you can see, it just went back again to the lower part, nothing more than that. It just kind of retested that same previous low. It checked the previous low, made a form of double bottom, and started to grind higher again. Now, even that upside movement was very violent. Take a look. Every time price was pushing forward, right after that came a strong, steep downside correction, very violent with lots of spikes. So it wasn't very smooth. This is why we were unable to catch the euro pound, even though we knew it's gonna come up all the way towards the upper part again. Now I think we have another chance to actually grab that move. I mean, half of the move is already gone, but I think there is still half of the potential move still ahead of us. So let me go walk you through what I believe should happen here in the near future. So price is obviously aiming at the higher part, and you can see the higher part here is not too far, right? I mean, the minimum level starting with the 89.64, that's only 60 pip. Having said that, because of the recent lows, take a look, this one and the one before, right, which took the previous lows by a huge margin. So I expect price to do the same on the upside, take the previous high by a big margin. So not only take the previous high, which is where we're aiming at, that's our price target, 90.35, 0.9035. I believe price would actually push even higher than that, possibly all the way to 91. But we're not going to deal with that uncertain part of the trade. We're going to try to take it to the safest spot. The safest would be 89.64, but that would not really represent a healthy profit, right? So we're going to try to chase all the way to the previous high. Now, I actually wanted to engage with the euro pound again, mostly because I saw the reaction we had here yesterday on the 200 daily moving average. So I kind of used that 200 daily moving average as a trigger, more of a supportive trigger, because price is likely to find the 200 daily moving average as a support and basically just continue the upside movement which it already started. Now, I also want to mention that if price is going to close below the 200 daily moving average, then I will probably close the position, take a small loss and close the position, because then it would be, well, the concern would be that it could go all the way down again towards the previous lows, and we don't want to have that. Alright, so we're going to try to use the 200 daily moving average as a support level and basically to complete the move that is expected here, all the way to the upper part of the setup. We are using the slight downside correction of yesterday to catch the euro pound in a better price. Alright, so let's see how it goes. I wish us all good luck, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.